Let's cut this in half. Wow. Okay mga Haydol, today we are here at S&R Cebu, Mandawi City. As you know, S&R is a membership shopping with a huge warehouse which offers imported grocery items and extensive selection of premium products from all over the world. As you know, S&R gives you a shopping excitement that won't stop, whether you're a regular shopper or a bulk shopper or even a hilasun person like me. S&R not just offer products, but they also offer special services such as their food services, the reason why we are here today. So come on mga Haydol, let's try their food products and their other mouth-watering foods. Come on, let's go and join me. Alright mga Haydols, the foods have finally arrived. So nandito na ang order natin. We have this special combo pizza that we ordered, this one, and also the all pepperoni pizza here. We also have here the whole chicken. Napakasarap Idol, promise. And also we have here the chicken roll, and then also we have their special french fries and the clam chowder soup. Ito. At of course, the unlimited drinks na kinuha natin kanina. Plus 2 extra rice. So far these are the best sellers, so we're going to try them all. Alright, let's start. So before that, Lord, thank you so much for food in Bihatag, Lord. Thank you so much for the blessings, all the grace. Just name him. Itadakimasu mga Idol. Simulan na natin pag food. Let's start here with the special pizza. Napakasarap. First bite. Wow, very delicious. There are various flavors there, very cheesy. Wow, perfect. No wonder S&R is one of the best pizzas here in Cebu, or in the Philippines perhaps. So now let's try this pepperoni. Wow, let's focus on the cheese here. You can see that. Oh, wow, the cheese is overflowing. Let's try. Wow, wow. I like this. Very simple in taste, but there are various flavors there. The oiliness of the pepperoni doesn't matter because the cheese is so creamy. Wow, sarap, mga idol, grabe. Also, the pepperoni is crispy. Let's cut this in half. See that, mga idol? Wow, look at that. Wow. Napakasarap, mga idol. Super. I can say that these are one of the best pizzas I've ever tasted, mga idol. Sarap. Next, French fries. One thing I like about their French fries, mga idol, yung mga dagko. They're so big. So, alam ko naman na gusto nyo mga malalaki, di ba? This is for you, ladies. Very juicy, very oily, salty. Okay lang, thank you. Next, we have the chicken roll with their special sauce. Dip in their sauce, like this. Ayun, wow. I think this is a mayonnaise sauce there. Wow, sarap din yan, no? Wow. Wow, sarap, grabe. Lahat ng mga food dito, sarap. Wow, super. Mami, no? Favorite ng asawa ko. One last time. There's a cheese inside, ham, and the chicken. It's really good that they have this kind of invention, mga idol. Super sarap. The breading is really nice, crispy in the outside, and soft in the inside. Parang ako ba? Crispy in the outside, and soft in the inside. So, I'm gonna open their rice. I like their rice, mga idol. Ganda ng quality ng rice nila. I don't know where this came from. Maybe from the US, from my father's side. So, ito rice nila. Lagyan natin ng konting soup. But before that, taste muna natin yung soup. Sarap. I like it. It's very creamy and lots of spices. Very creamy, very nice. Wow. Plus rice. Of course, let's try the chicken here. Kuha tayo ng drumstick. See that? Wow. Tingnan mo yan, mga idol. Napakasarap tignan, no? You can see there. Napaka-juicy nito, mga idol. Let's try na. Wow. It's like I'm in heaven, ito. Sobrang sarap. Napakalasa, tagos inside. The saltiness, the spices there. Very unique in taste. Yung iba nga, medyo kulang pa yung pagkaluto. Yung iba, hindi pa na masyado nakapasok yung lasa sa inside. Pero ito, nakapasok, mga idol. Grabe. So, in love with this chicken right now. I'm very emotional. So, I'm an emotional eater. So, once I eat really good food, even if it's not that good, meron pa rin emotions inside of me. Because I love eating. That's it. And I love my wife also. Wow. Come here ni S&R. Huwag lang kayo pumunta at mag-shopping at maging social. Pumunta din kayo dito. Kumain. Masasarap mga food dito. Promise. Tingnan mo, pwede mong gawing sauce yung soup. Kahit anong gustong gawin mo, pwede. Diba? Of course, pupatukan ka kasi ang dami mong kinain. Unlimited to Mountain Dew. You can just go there to the store and drink anything. Wow, sarap. S&R, you're the best. Okay, mga idol, so kakain muna kami ng wife ko and we're gonna talk about what we're going to buy inside because we have lots of money in our dreams. So let us finish this first and appreciate it much more. I'd love to finish this for you, but my wife is angry. I say hungry. So I would like also to shout out to my very good friend Ryan Alterado for recommending this place for a review. So Ryan Alterado and your family, and to my inaanak na Bibilin, shout out. Ryan, this is for you. Sorry. I hope there's S&R there, wherever you are. Bye, mga idol. Thank you so much once again. This is Haydol Steve na nagsasabing, ingat, take care, and hamping, mga idol. Bye. See you next time.